grab a cup of coffee and snuggle up because I have got a huge grocery haul to share with you guys today. So today I was able to get my groceries from Walmart. However, they just got delivery available in my area, which I am so excited about, and it was super convenient. So I thought I would share a grocery haul with you guys. I've had Walmart Plus for a while, but they just now got the delivery option available in my area. So super awesome. I ordered these last night and they came this morning. Okay, so I got some apples. I believe these are Honeycrisp. Yes, we were running low. So instead of getting an entire bag, I just got 3 of those. I got some peaches. These aren't quite ripe yet, but they will ripen up as they sit in the fruit bowl, so that's fine. I got some Roma tomatoes. We're gonna do a taco night this week, so I went ahead and got those to cut up for that. I also got some strawberries. These actually look pretty good. I'm kind of impressed because the strawberries have not been looking too hot lately. I also got a pineapple to cut up for a fruit salad, some red grapes, those were on sale, and some blackberries. I also got some romaine lettuce just to have on hand for salads. I usually chop my own lettuce, but sometimes it's just nice to have it done for me. It's a quick lunch. I also got some mini cucumbers, a couple bell peppers, and 2 limes. I got a bag of coleslaw. I actually have a recipe for like Kim Kardashian's favorite salad copycat recipe that I wanted to try for a video, and it calls for shredded cabbage, so I thought I would just get the coleslaw mix instead of a whole head of cabbage, just easier that way. I got 2 dozen eggs. We ran totally out of eggs earlier last week, and so I didn't want that to happen again. I normally try to keep a spare dozen on hand. I got some iceberg lettuce, some 5-layer dip. I thought this looked good, and we have some tortilla chips to use up. I don't know if we're gonna have this with tacos or we'll probably just eat it for lunch or snacks. But the shredded lettuce is for tacos as well. And then I got 2 Noosa yogurts for myself, 1 strawberry and 1 lemon. I just made some homemade granola, so I thought those would go well with that. I want to take a quick moment to thank Cradle for sponsoring today's video. Did you guys know that Halloween is the second most stressful day of the year for dogs after the 4th of July? Halloween can obviously trigger stress among your dog with a night full of doorbell rings. Cradle's innovative Botanitech blend of calming ingredients is perfect for dogs of all breeds and sizes. They offer multiple easy-to-use pet-friendly solutions for Halloween, like the all-day calming bone and quick calm melts. They also offer chews and other calming products, so you can pick from a variety to find the one that your dog likes best. They do recommend daily use to achieve best results. You can give Cradle to your dog daily in the days leading up to Halloween to set a calm foundation. Cradle is formulated to calm your dog quickly, but consistency is key. I have been giving it to my dogs for a couple of weeks now, and I do notice that especially when we leave and my new puppy has to go in his kennel, he is a lot calmer. And I also noticed that he sleeps a lot better at night. What's also really cool is that Cradle is available at retailers nationwide, so you can shop for their products today in person at your local Walmart, your local pet store, or you can check them out online at Amazon and Chewy.com. Their patent pending Botanitech formulation is the backbone of all of their products, which combines broad spectrum CBD with proven pure human grade ingredients from some of the best places on earth. They also have natural flavoring and use no artificial colors. CBD has been shown to have a variety of health and wellness benefits in our 4-legged friends. Cradle's products work naturally to calm your dog safely and quickly from the inside out. So if you guys want to try out Cradle, I highly recommend them. It has helped, especially my puppy, so much. You can go to cradlemypet.com/Chapin and use promo code Chapin to get 20% off your order, or you can also check them out at various in-store and online retailers. Once again, use my promo code Chapin for 20% off your order, which is an awesome discount, so make sure that you check that out. All right, I got some Dannon Light and Fit. These are the protein yogurt drinks. Connor really likes these for breakfast. This is a strawberry banana flavor. I got some milk, some sugar-free Jell-O for the kids' lunches, and then I did get some cottage cheese. I like to have this on hand just to snack on with crackers, and then I do use it in my lasagna as well, and I've got a couple lasagnas to make this week for lasagna love. I got 2 packages of the pepperoni panino. The kids really like these. 2 of the Dannon Light and Fit Crunch. This is the cookies and cream for lunch boxes for the kids. I got a couple of Lunchables, pepperoni pizza, and the bologna and cheese with crackers. Kira also asked me specifically for bologna, pepperoni, and turkey. So I know she wants to make sandwiches or wraps or what she wants to do, but I got that for her. Well, I'm sure we'll all eat it as well. Sharp cheddar cheese for sandwiches, and then we're all out of the turkey sticks. These are great to put in lunches as well, or just to have as like a high protein snack. I like the ones from Aldi, but these are a good substitute when I don't go to Aldi. You guys will have to tell me if you have seen this before. It is a bacon ranch cheddar dip. I've never seen this in the store, but again, I've never looked for it. So that's why it's kind of fun, you know, doing online. This looks good. I have some wheat thins in the pantry. I thought I could use that with. I am like a dip person. I love chips and dip. I love salsa and chips. I love hummus. I love ranch dip with my vegetables. If you like dip too, smash that like button. It'll change color and it'll give you some confetti. Isn't that fun? I also got some Cracker Barrel sharp cheddar cheese. Kira likes to have this with with what? Oh, she has it with crackers and pepperoni. I got some sharp cheddar cheese for a mac and cheese recipe, which I also got the evaporated milk for that recipe as well. It is a Instant Pot mac and cheese recipe. I always try to keep some type of like spreadable butter on hand for toast. So I got the Land O'Lakes butter with canola oil. This is my favorite brand of French onion dip for chips, if you can find this. I know that sometimes the dairy brands are very local, but if you find this brand, it's really, really good. I got some tartar sauce just to have on hand, so we're out of that. Some of the Sweet Baby Ray's no sugar added honey mustard dipping sauce. This is really good if you've never tried it. I saw these ketchup bottles and I was like, what is going on with that? Anyway, they must have changed the bottle for now, but I got 2 bottles of ketchup because we were all out, and that is a travesty. I also got some mustard because we were all out of that. 2 jars of marinara sauce for lasagna, some lasagna noodles as well, and then I got 1 can of the chunky jambalaya soup for Adam for his lunch this week. I got some King Arthur flour. Let me know if in the comments if you guys think the quality of flour differs between brands. I've read before that King Arthur is supposedly the best brand of flour to get because it has the highest protein content in it, but I don't know that it really makes that much of a difference. I decided to try it. Obviously, it's more expensive than the generic kind. And then I got some sugar as well. I normally don't buy the brand name of sugar, but they were totally out of the Great Value, and we are going into holiday baking season and I don't have any on hand. I got some of these Ritz cheese and crackers for the kids to take in their backpacks for snack at school. I really like these. I think that they're better than like the other brands of cheese and crackers. So try those if you would like. And then I was watching a YouTube video and I saw where someone had like regular salted like plain rice cakes and they were putting nut butter on them. And I was like, oh, that sounds good. Well, they were out of the plain rice cakes. All they had was the cheddar. So I went ahead and took that for a substitute because these are good too, but it wasn't exactly what I was looking for, so I'll have to get that next time. I got some rye bread. Adam and I like this for sandwiches and toast. And then I got some Ruffles to go with the French onion dip, some Sara Lee honey wheat bread. We were totally out of bread. I went to make lunch for Connor the other day to take to school, and I was like, oh my gosh, we don't have any bread. Can you eat lunch at school? He's like, yeah, that's fine. They're having Crispitos anyway. Who doesn't like a good Crispito? We have some hot dogs in the fridge, so I got some hot dog buns. This was a substitute. I actually got the Ballpark brand, but they substituted with the potato ones. I got 2 of the Amy's enchiladas. These are just good for quick lunches. I really like both of these. This one is a roasted poblano, and this one is just a plain cheese enchilada. Highly recommend those if you've never tried them. I got some of these real good artichoke and cheese stuffed chicken bites. I've had these once before, and they make a really good quick lunch in the air fryer. They're low carb, high protein, and you can dip them in ranch. They're pretty delicious. I grabbed some chicken nuggets just to keep in the freezer for whatever. Just the Walmart brand of those. Some Capri Sun for lunches. This is the Roaring Waters. I get this kind because it has less sugar. Some 7-Up. Yes, pry my diet soda out of my cold dead hands. Diet 7-Up, Diet Dr. Pepper, and Diet Sunkist. They had the Dr. Pepper brands. I don't know what brand it actually is. On sale for like $4 something for a 12 pack. So I thought that was pretty good. I got 3 of those. I really like this Tide with Febreze. So I got a refill of that because I'm running low. We're running low on plastic forks. So I got a bag of those. The offensive pizza rolls, if you watched last week's grocery haul. I'm just kidding. Pepperoni pizza rolls. We love to have these in the air fryer. I don't know. Sometimes we have them for lunch on the weekend. Sometimes the kids eat them for after school snack. I don't know. They're just good to have in the freezer. I got 2 of the cotton rounds. So I was running very low on those. I got this for Kira. This is the Keratin Protein No Frizz Hair Intense Treatment. She actually got her hair dyed. I took her to the salon a couple weeks ago and she got her hair dyed like a dark magenta color. She was very excited to have that done, but as you know, she is now in swim. It is swim season, and so I wanted to get her a deep conditioner for her to use on her hair. We were out of cough drops, and I always feel like cough drops are one of those things that like you either use a lot of or you don't use any, and they get like gross and sticky. Like the last time we needed them, we didn't have any. I had to run to Walgreens and get some. So I saw these on the site and I was like, well, I'll grab a couple and put them in the medicine cabinet. So we have those for when we need them. Adam asked for a quote, manly scented candle for his basement. So I saw this one, Mandarin and Teakwood. Actually smelled it and it smells pretty good. So I got that for him. And then we've been out of paper plates for a little bit. So I got some paper plates as well. So that's everything that I got from Walmart. What I want to know from you guys is how much you typically spend on a week's worth of groceries for your family and how many people you have in your family. Please let me know in the comments below. I tend to spend around $300 a week for a family of 4. That also includes pet items, household items, all of those like toiletries as well. I have found it to have gone up significantly since this time last year or even the year before. I used to spend around $200 a week, so I'd be curious to know what you spend below. Don't forget to check out Cradle. I'll have all of their information down below along with that discount. Your dogs will love it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!